Your smile deserves more than just basic care. It deserves a dental team that treats you like family. At Hallandale Beach Dental, Dr. Raphael Arwas and his experienced team bring together advanced technology and genuine compassion to transform the way you experience dental care. From routine cleanings to complete smile makeovers with veneers and implants, we handle everything under one modern roof. Need a root canal? Wisdom teeth removed? All on 4 implants? We've got you covered with techniques that prioritize your comfort every step of the way. And here's what really sets us apart. Dental emergencies don't follow a schedule, so we offer same-day appointments and welcome walk-ins. Broken tooth? Severe toothache? We'll see you today because your pain matters to us. Feeling anxious about dental visits? Our sedation dentistry options help you relax completely, making even extensive procedures feel stress-free. Serving Hallandale Beach, Aventura, Hollywood Beach, Sunny Isles Beach, and beyond, we're the dentist Hallandale Beach families trust for affordable, exceptional care. Ready to experience dentistry done differently? Call Hallandale Beach Dental today and discover what personalized dental care really feels like. Because you deserve a dental home where excellence meets compassion.